Chapter 1. History of Computers. From abacus to robots. Computers having generations? Really funny. No dear, let me tell you about it. Magic carpet. The abacus. Inventors of computers. Generations of computers. The first computers were humans. Electronic computers were given this name because they did the work that had previously been done by humans. Computer was originally a job label. People had to do calculations to compute things like navigational tables, tide charts, and planetary positions for astronomical almanacs. Because this became very tedious and boresome, it led to a lot of mistakes in their work. Thus, abacus was invented. It was an early aid for mathematical computations. It is a Latin word derived from the Greek word abax, which means a calculating table. It is believed that the earliest abacus was invented about 5,000 years ago, while some historians believe that the abacus was invented by the ancient Chinese. Some believe that it was invented by the Babylonians or the Egyptians. A quick timeline of the abacus history. Year. Event. 3000 BC. Abacus was invented in China. 1000 BC. The counting boards were used by the Chinese. 500 BC. Romans and Greeks also started using the counting boards. 300 BC. Abacus finds wide usage as a counting device in China. 500 AD. Europe also starts using abacus. Structure of abacus. The frame of the abacus has a series of vertical rods on which a number of wooden beads are allowed to slide freely. A horizontal rod separates the frame into two sections, known as the upper deck and the lower deck. Each bead in the upper deck has a value of 5. Each bead in the lower deck has a value of 1. Abacus laid the foundation of computers. Though the difference between an ancient abacus and a modern computer is vast, the principle of both the devices to make repeated calculations more quickly than the human brain remains exactly the same. Let us quickly peep into the history of people who made computers what they are today because of their inventions. Inventor, invention, description. John Napier, Napier's bones. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician. He invented a calculating machine made of a set of rods carved from bones in 16th century. These rods did the multiplication. This machine was called the Napier's bone. Blaise Pascal, Pascaline. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician. In 1642 CE, he invented the Pascaline. It could add and subtract. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. Stepped reckoner. Stepped reckoner was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, a German mathematician. His calculator could perform all the 4 mathematical operations: add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Charles Babbage. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. He was a British mathematician. He designed the first mechanical computer in 1833. It was called the analytical engine and it ran on steam because electricity was not there in 1800s. Lady Ada Lovelace. Programming based on zeros and ones. Lady Ada Lovelace gave birth to the concept of binary arithmetic in the year 1887, in which instructions were given in the form of zeros and ones. This was also used in analytical engine. She is also known as the founder of scientific computing and first lady computer programmer. Herman Hollerith. Tabulating machine. Herman Hollerith was an American mathematician who invented the tabulating machine. It followed the IPO cycle and gave input in the form of punched cards. Fact Genie. The first handheld calculator was invented by an American company called Texas Instruments in 1967. and was further developed in the early 1970s. Generations of computers. By generation, we simply mean the different stages of development of a product. With each new generation of computer, the circuits have reduced in size but have advanced as compared to their previous ones. New inventions in this field have led to completely different way we live, work or keep ourselves entertained through computers. Generations of computers. First generation 1940 to 1956. Second generation 1956 to 1963. Third generation 1964 to 1971. Fourth generation 1971 to 1989. Fifth generation 1989 to present. The computer as we know it was founded by a 19th century English mathematics professor named Charles Babbage. He designed the analytical engine on whose basic framework today's computers are based. Computers can be classified into 5 generations. Each generation lasted for a period of time and each gave us a new and enhanced computer. Some also gave us an improvement to the existing computer. Computer generations classification is mainly done on the basic devices it used. Also, the architecture, languages, modes of operation was considered for their classification. Let us study about these generations in detail. First generation of computers 1940 to 1956. First generation of computers was categorized by the fact that it operated on the principle of harmonic emission, in which operating instructions were given as per the task for which the computer was to be used. First generation systems used vacuum tubes for circuitry, magnetic drums for storing data. They were very large in size and were called room-sized computers. The programming of first generation computers was done in binary language of zeros and ones. Examples of first generation computers are ENIAC, UNIVAC, EDVAC and EDSAC. Second generation of computers 1956 to 1963. Second generation computers used assembly language and replaced the old machine language, letting abbreviated programming codes to replace long, difficult binary codes. The transistor was also invented in this generation. It transfers electric signals across a resistor. Transistors were highly reliable compared to vacuum tubes. Transistors were far more advanced in performance on account of their small size, less power consumption and heat production rate. Some examples of second generation of computers are IBM 7000, NCR 304, IBM 650, IBM 1401, Atlas and Leo Mark. Third generation of computers 1964 to 1971. Transistors were advanced over the vacuum tubes but still generated great heat, which harmed the computer's sensitive parts. Hence, were replaced with an integrated circuit known popularly as chips. Since the scientists managed to fit many components on a single chip, the size of the computer became smaller. Integrated circuit (IC) was designed and fabricated by Jack S. Kilby. Magnetic discs replaced magnetic tape for auxiliary and video display. Now, keyboards were used to input data and terminals to give output. A new operating system was introduced for automatic processing and multi-programming. These computers were highly dependable, comparatively expensive but faster. High-level programming languages continued to be developed. The examples of third-generation computers are IBM 360 series, ICL 2900 series and Honeywell 200 series. Fourth generation of computers 1971 to 1989. The microprocessor chips marked the beginning of the fourth generation computers. Magnetic core memories were replaced by the semiconductors and led to the development of personal computers. The first microprocessor called Intel 4004 was developed by an American Intel corporation in 1971. These computers use faster generation language and application software. In this generation, the concept of computer networks and CD-ROMs came into being. Examples of the fourth generation computers are IBM PC, HP laptops, Mac notebook, etc. Fifth generation of computers, 1969 to present. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence (AI) and it is still in a developing stage. It is built on technological advancement gained in the previous computer generations. The functioning of the computers hopes to improve human and machine interaction. Parallel processing and superconductors help make artificial intelligence a reality. Quantum computation and nanotechnology will drastically change the face of computers in the years to come. The aim of fifth generation computers is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning anything and everything and can also self-organize. Computers of this generation can understand spoken words and imitate human reasoning. They can also respond to their surroundings using different types of sensors. Example of fifth generation computers are robots, nanocomputers, and quantum computers. Fact Genie. In 1833, Charles Babbage invented all the parts that are used to make a modern computer, but it took 120 years to develop the first modern computer. Magic Scroll. Computer was originally a job label and not a device. Abacus is a Latin word derived from the Greek word abax, which means a calculating table. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician who invented the Napier's bones. Blaise Pascal invented a calculator called Pascaline. Lady Ada Lovelace was a first woman programmer. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. A. Put